Hey guys, today we're going to show you a quick clutch tech tip on how to check for clutch release before bolting the entire vehicle back together. So what we're going to do is we've just finished installing all the hydraulics and the clutch and flywheel to the back of the engine. We're going to mount the gearbox onto the back of the engine and we're going to bleed it up and check that the actual clutch is releasing and hydraulics are working properly before we bolt the rest of the vehicle together. The first thing you want to do is click it into gear. Doesn't matter what gear, as long as it's in gear so the tail shaft turns at the same rate as the input shaft. This will help us align the spline on the clutch to the input shaft. Carefully guide the transmission up to the engine and mount it using just 2 bell housing bolts. Bleed the hydraulics using an appropriate technique and ensure that the pedal is consistent in feel. Have somebody in the vehicle hold the clutch pedal on the floor. Have somebody under the vehicle turn the transmission output shaft to ensure that the clutch disc can be spun inside the bell housing. With the clutch pedal up, the transmission output shaft should be solid and not able to be turned. Once you've ensured the clutch has adequate release, you can then assemble the rest of the vehicle and test drive.